All right, let's get you started off here with some Advante tools. They're all 488, anywhere from screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, you name it. 2-pack of tape measures, 988. Pliers set, 988. Here's some more 488 pair of pliers. Hammer for 488. All kinds of Advante stuff. The gear wrench, mechanics tool set for $199. 232 pieces. That's a pretty nice little set there. Gear wrench makes a good product. You got other various stuff. You got the Husky 14-inch rolling tool bag. Looks all right. $79. Gerber knives. 2-pack of Stanley tape measures, $24.88. You got the gear wrench check engine light scan tool, $74.88. You got some flashlights for $25 and $30, and you got the Bosch lasers for $50 and $40 respectively. Got the Husky backpack for $39.98. Got the Husky light there, 3-in-1 light for $25. And now you got the Dremel blueprint stuff. That's the new Dremel multi-tool for $99. That's the portable saw station, which I like, for $149. You got all kinds of other various Dremel accessories there, as you can see. Let's get you into some Ryobi now. You got the digital function inflator deflator for $40, and you got the high pressure digital inflator for $25. Pretty good deal. All right, now we got some more Ryobi. You got the fan for $25, the light for $30, the glue gun for $30. Just a little knick-knack Ryobi stuff. You got the Ryobi 1+2 tool kit, $129. You also got the compact brushless impact driver for $79, and you got the compact brushless drill for $79. Both come with 2 amp-hour batteries and chargers. Next up, more accessories for $17 and $19 and $22 respectively. This is a good one right here. You got the 2-pack of 6 amp-hour high-performance batteries for $170, the 6-port charger for $90, and the 2-pack of 4 amp-hour batteries for $100. You got the Airstrike 18-gauge brad nailer for $100. That thing's garbage, though. And you also got the 16-gauge Airstrike for $150. That's also garbage. Don't buy those. The 18-volt 10-inch snow shovel, $109. The horrible blower for $99. 350 CFMs. It sucks. You got the 40-volt blower at 550 CFMs for $160. You got all these tools here for $49, a ratchet, a stapler, all kinds of stuff there, as you can see. I'm not going to go over them all. More knickknacks, all for $29 you see there. Glue guns and screwdrivers, clamp fans, 18-volt, 1-gallon wet dry vacuum, $50. Durable router bit set for $40, the 4.0 tablet cell battery for $130, the jigsaw for $120, the recip saw for $120, angle grinder for $120, drill for $129, and the circular saw for $139. You also got the battery and fast charger for $150. This may be the best deal if you are a Ryobi guy. That impact wrench with that 4 amp hour high output battery for $150 is really good. You got the ratchet for $90, the light for $50, and I'm not sure what that other thing was. You also got the saber saw for $119. You got the cutoff tool for $119. You got the 6.5-inch circular saw for $99, and the battery and charger for $89 there. I believe that's 2.0 amp hours. You got the drill and impact driver kit for $100 there. You got the impact driver for $59, or the drill for $59 separately. Step bit set for $20. A rail system for your drill for $15, and various bits over there for $6, them bit sets that are over there. You know how I feel about Ryobi. That's why I'm kind of racing through this stuff. Sorry. You got the 3/8 drill with 1.5 amp hour battery kit for $50, And a couple of drill bits and drill driver bit sets for $15. Got the mini keychain things for $5. You got the power scrubber for $50. You got the telescoping power scrubber for $50. And then you got that mop thing for $79. You got the 4-volt USB lithium batteries, 3 amp hour 2-pack for $35, the charger for $20, and the power source for $50. Now we're into some rigid. You got the subcompact brushless drill for $89 with 2 amp hour battery, the subcompact brushless impact driver for $89. You got the new sander for $99. You got the one-handed saber saw for $99 subcompact, and then you can get the 2 drill and impact driver kit for $140. You got the oscillate multi-tool, the shitty one, for $79. The recip saw kit for $99, the angle grinder kit for $99, and the 6-tool combo kit for $300. Those are all brushed. And yeah, these are corded Makita tools for $79. Yuck. More junky Makita stuff. I'm not even naming the price. These deals suck. Don't even bother with them. 280-piece, 3-drawer mechanics tool set from Husky for $99. It wouldn't be Christmas without this tool deal. Oh, we're into some DeWalt now. We got the DCF 900 impact wrench kit for $329. The laser 3-plane laser lever for $400. And then looks like you got an impact wrench and ratchet kit with battery and charger for $269. Drill bit set, $30. 6-piece trigger clamps, $40. If you buy that right angle attachment, you get a bit or socket set for free. More right angle attachments and nut drivers, $19 and $30 respectively. You got the chalk kit for $14. You also got the 2-pack of utility knives for $20, a 2-pack of tape measures for $20. You got the 4-port charger kit with 2 and 5 amp hour batteries for $300. The atomic ratchet for $179. 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries for $169. The cutoff tool for $169. 6.5 circ saw for $129, and the recip saw for $129. Yes, some of those deals are pretty good. That ratchet is a pretty good deal. You got the 20-volt oscillate multi-tool kit for $119 and some drill bits for $13. Got a 3-battery kit there for $169, a 6 amp hour battery starter kit for $99, the sander for $130, the radio for $99, the vacuum for $129, 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries for $129. There's just a lot going on there. Great deals. And the light for $69. You got the DCD 794 and the DCF 809 kits for $120. It's a pretty good deal. I believe they both come with a 2 amp hour battery and charger, and you got a drill bit set there for $10. Or you can have both of those tools for $169 in a kit. And these are nailer deals, but I'm going to be honest with you, DeWalt nailer sucks, and these really aren't good prices. Stay away from this deal. This is the best deal I think they got going. You buy that battery kit, flex volt battery kit, 9 amp hour battery and fast charger, and you can get the DCD 803 for free, or any of them tools up there, the recip saw, the flex volt circular saw, the flex volt angle grinder, another 9 amp hour flex volt battery. It's a great deal. Stud finder, $17.97. Now we're into some Milwaukee. This is a staple every year. The M12 kit. You can get the M12 hammer drill for $99 with battery and charger. Same thing with the impact driver for $99 battery and charger. Or you can just buy the 2-tool kit for $169. M18 Roverite, $99. The horrible orbital sander, $99. Don't get that. The heat gun, $99. And another M18 Roverite for $79. Now this is probably the best deal every Christmas. Those are some of the best compact drill and impact drivers on the market for $99 kitted that you can tell they're already empty. Get the M18 Rocket Light for $179. Various eye protection for $8. Or you can just get that same kit with both tools for $179 and save yourself some money and get an extra battery. Or you can get some Shockwave Impact Duty hex bits for $30. Now this is a good deal. All them tools you see there are 20 bucks. Tape measures, screwdrivers, all that type of stuff. But if you buy 3 of those, you save $10. If you buy 5 of those, you save $30. They got the fastback knives, the tongue and groove pliers, the speed squares, the tape measures. That's a great deal. The Gen 2 shockwave bits, 20 bucks. 2-pack of 3 amp hour M12 batteries, 99 bucks, and 2 recip saw torch sets, respectively, 25 bucks each. If you buy any one of them tools right there, you get a free 2.0 M12 battery. It's the rover relate, the compact blower, the job site radio, the cutoff tool, the ratchet, or the stapler. That stapler is a beast. I love that tool. Great deal. The horrible brush drill and impact driver M12 kit, 100 bucks. Don't suggest it, but it's 100 bucks. The 12 volt fuel, impact driver, and high speed ratchet kit, $199. You got the keychain bit holder there for $13. You got the nut drivers there for $12, and red helix drill bits for $20. That carabiner bit holder is a pretty cool little tool. I like it. More drill bits. You got some gloves for $6, more gloves for $10, and even more gloves for $16. Hard hats, $15. Gloves, $20. High vis workwear. You got the pick set for $15, and then you got the socket sets here for $30 respectively, metric and standard. Those are good sockets. You got the 25-piece 1/4 inch drive ratchet and socket set for $50. You got the metric and standard wrench set for $50, and then you got the 56-piece 3/8 socket and ratchet set for $120. Not a bad price. Got 2-pack of 6 amp hour M12 batteries, $150, and then we got the 12 volt 4.2 kit that includes the subcompact drill and impact driver, an oscillate multi-tool, and a hacksaw for $199. That's a great deal. You got the M18 5-tool kit for $299. You got the 6-port charger, rapid charger, and 4 6.0 batteries for $499. And then you got the brushed M12 screwdriver for $59. Bulldozer kit, $30. If you buy that M18 wet dry vacuum for $150, you receive a 5 amp hour battery for free. Not the greatest deal, but it's okay. 6-in-1 pliers, $15. 3-piece insulated screwdriver set, $20. The nut driver, $25, and then the precision screwdriver, $25. If you buy those Milwaukee framing nailers, you receive a 5 amp hour battery for free. And then you got other various nailers down there for $429, $279, 2-pack of batteries, $199. I'm not quite sure what that other one is. Sorry guys, I can't see it. My bad. You got knee pads for $25, the flood headlight for $30, the regular flashlight for $50, and then the hard hat flashlight for $60. Pretty good deals. 7-inch torpedo level, $27, and 24-inch I-beam level, $27. One of the worst oscillate multi-tool kits on the market for $99. That's the Brush M18 model. 8-piece oscillate multi-tool kit, blade kit, $40, and another oscillate multi-tool kit over there for $20. The electrician's hand tool set, $25. Various pack-out accessories, your choice, $25, $9, and $8. More pack-out stuff. Don't know if this is a great deal, but I'd wait for better deals on the older pack-out stuff on that. Want some Milwaukee heated gear? Got you covered. The Axis vest, $179. The heated hoodies are $159. New is the heated gloves for $199. That's very interesting. The Tough Shell jackets, $199. The Axis jackets are $229 and $199 respectively, and the Quick Shell jackets are $249. Get your butts to Home Depot and get some great deals because they're going quick, and once they're gone, guys. All right, guys, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, deal videos aren't my thing, but I know you guys like them, so I'm doing them for you. hit that notification bell for me. Talk to you guys later.